Let's say you have a mega menu dropdown and you want to inspect it. I want to know what's happening with this icon. So I control click on my Mac, go to inspect, and my menu disappears. So then I try again. Let's say I actually try to grab this drop-down menu. I'm looking for it. Maybe I even get it selected. I right-click and I say force state hover. Nothing. Okay, force state active. Nothing. So then I start going further in. Can I force state it this way? It's never going to work because it is not a CSS hover. This is JavaScript. So what do you do instead? What you do instead is copy and paste, save, bookmark this simple script. What you're going to do is come into console, click enter. Now you have 5 seconds. Come in, put your mouse where you want it to be. In 5 seconds, your inspect window will pop back up. You can see that my browser says paused in Debugger. So what this does is it actually pauses the page in 5 seconds. Okay, so what this actually did was pause my website at 5 seconds. So now I can go back to Elements and I can use my arrow and I can actually grab an element because it is open. And now I can see if I come into styles, what is actually creating that after icon. And I can see that I have created a class that actually says, hey, if the link includes this random string, which is really a string to our touch stay, then add this icon and I can inspect that. So the trick is to use pausing in your debugger. If I want to stop that, I just click play and it starts again. All right, I can come back in here. Let me show you how to pause one more time. Type it in. Now you can change your seconds to whatever amount of seconds you need. 5, 10, 3, whatever. Click return, come in, get your mouse ready. And at that 5-second mark, you will see the DevTools pops back up and we're paused. So now you can inspect whatever you needed open. All right, so I hope this helps you as you move forward from thinking like a designer to thinking more full stack and realizing that your interactions that you're looking at in your website, they might be CSS where that hover and active force state would work, or they might be JavaScript triggered. And then you need to use a different technique. So there are other ones, but I feel like they're really buggy. And this one script saying pause my browser in 5 seconds seems to always work. So I'd say save this somewhere in your notes, bookmark this, just remember that this is an option. So next time you're working in a mega menu, you have a quick way to inspect in the browser. In all my videos, I like to say what brought me joy today. And today I saw gentle snow falling as I woke up and drank my coffee. Here's my next video suggestion. Happy designing.